What up, y'all? We're back again. Today we're learning baby freeze. So for baby freeze, we want to start in our knee freeze position, okay? All you guys should know this, super easy. Now this part, it's going to be a little difficult for some people, but this move is all about persistence. You got to keep trying, take your time with it. Might get it first try, might take you a few weeks, might take you a few months, but just be persistent and be safe when you try this move. So first, I want to reach across over to my knee that's up, and I want to put my elbow on my hip. Okay, so my bad. This elbow is going to be on the hip. Second arm reaches over, elbow is going to be on the leg. Now, if you're not able to get to this position, keep practicing to get here. Okay, don't go down to the ground unless you're able to get your arms locked here. Okay, once we're locked in, our elbows do not move. They stay attached to our body the whole time. Now, I want to make sure my hands are open. And now I put my hands on the ground. So I'm going to lean down onto my hands. And then I want to put my head away from my hands. And I'm going to tilt up into my baby freeze. Right? If I want to get out, just drop my legs and push back out. All right? Make it look easy, but flexibility is important, strength is important, and like I said at the beginning, persistence, okay? So keep trying. If you're having trouble with this, please talk to your instructor or your local area coordinator, and we'll do the best we can to help you out. Peace.